Okay, so here's part two. We have our empirical formula of NO2, which we got from the percent oxygen, percent nitrogen. We divided by the molar mass, found the moles, found the smallest number of moles to find the molar ratio, or the numbers that go with the formula. So this is the empirical formula, which is NO2. So if we were just asking empirical formula, we'd be done. But there is a second part of the problem. They ask for a molecular formula. The molecular formula is 92. So, just like the little pop-ums, we need a multiple of that. Is it 1? Is it 2? Is it 3? We don't know. So let's find out. The way we find out is we find out how much this weighs, each little pop-up, each empirical formula. So we do molar mass, which we know how to do before. So the molar mass of NO2, NO, there's one N, two O's. One N is starting to sound familiar, isn't it? One N is 14, oxygen is 16. We find them on the periodic table, or handy dandy, they're right here. We use them already. So look, we're going back and forth again. 14, 32, 46. Oh my goodness, it's the same darn question. So 46 is the mass of this unit, grams per mole. Well, that's the empirical formula. We need to know how many of them are in the empirical molecular formula. So erase. So we divide 92.02 into 46, which of course you could probably tell is 2, which means there's 2 of these pop-ums. 2 pop-ums. And here their NO2 is a pop-um instead of CH2. So NO2, there's 2 of them. So how much does one of them weigh? 46. How much does 2 of them weigh? 92. So what's the entire formula, the molecular formula? You multiply each pop-um by 2. There's 2 carbons and 4 H's. So it's 2 times the empirical formula, which is here, NO2, which gives us N204. And that is the molecular formula. Which is the pop-ums. 2 N's and 4 O's. 2 N's and 4 H's on my pop-um. So, okay, so that's the percent to empirical formula. Empirical formula, how many of them fit in a molecular formula? You divide and then you multiply to get the molecular formula. There you go. And if you really wanted to check, you could do that, find the mass, and you'll see it's 92. But we don't have to do that. But you can if you want to.